DBS Manufacturing designs and builds low-speed, high-torque equipment. When needed to validate system performance and functionality, DBS offers a field torque test service. This test is performed at the customer's site by a DBS engineer during scheduled downtime or during installation while the tank is empty. The field torque test verifies the drive unit's torque capability, confirms the structural integrity of the clarifier mechanism, ensures the torque gauge is providing accurate readings, and validates the performance of failsafe components such as the shear pin or relief valve. The test is performed with the rake arms fully restrained by mooring them to the tank floor. Load cells are placed in line with the mooring cables to measure torque. DBS provides the instruments and mooring system required for the test, while the contractor is responsible for installing the mooring points, typically using welding equipment for steel tanks or an impact drill and concrete anchors for concrete bottom tanks. The temporary mooring points must be removed after the test. A single load cell and a single mooring point may be used for smaller tanks. To begin, the DBS engineer on site checks that the cutoff switch is functioning using simulated torque. Then, the engineer inspects the rake mechanism to locate structurally sound points where the mooring cables will be attached to the rakes. The mooring rig is laid out on the tank bottom in this formation, with one or both rakes restrained depending on the unit's size. Next, the anchoring brackets are welded to the steel tank bottom or bolted to the concrete floor. After securing the mooring lines, the engineer operates the drive while recording the load cell display. The readings will increase in value and then drop off once the drive unit automatically cuts off at the preset torque. The torque measured from the test rig is then compared with the torque indicated on the unit's gauge to confirm agreement. In addition, using trained observation, the DBS engineer evaluates the smoothness of operation, noise, and vibration to ensure proper performance under increased load. To test the shear pin or relief valve, the cutoff switch is temporarily bypassed for testing purposes. This allows the drive unit torque to exceed the cutoff setting and continue rising until the shear pin breaks or the relief valve setting is reached. The video shows a shear pin breaking at the design torque during the test. If the unit is equipped with a relief valve, the valve prevents the torque from rising further once the relief torque setting is reached. Testing the shear pin or relief valve is the last step. After the test is done, the engineer will create a document detailing the results to share with the customer by email. DBS Manufacturing's team of engineers is available via phone or email to assist you in scheduling a field torque test. Service is available in English, Spanish, and Chinese. Visit dbsmfg.com for more information.